How to adjust the time of SKMEI 1965 wristwatch. This is the SKMEI 1965 watch. This is the result of a large-scale attempt of mankind's desire to close the gap between an analog and a digital watch. Kind of like a cross between a donkey and a zebra but without a tail. Oh, I think my analogy is all over the place. This watch is being manufactured by the SKMEI company found in China. Their headquarters is located in Zhaoqing, Guangdong. The factory covers an area over 16,000 square meters. Whoa, that's a lot! It also has 300 employees and they are already registered in around 200 countries. I like that it has a big pair of hands which lets us see the time from any angle. The digital display can be set to different modes by pressing the lower left button. You can set it to display the current date or the current time or even the time from a different time zone. If you are in dark places like a movie house, you can press the top left button to illuminate the digital display. To set the time of the analog hands, long press on the top right button until you see the minute hand move faster. If you press it again while the hand is moving, it will go back to its normal mode. And if you do a quick press on the top right button, you will notice that the minute hand will move slightly, which is equivalent to that of a half of a minute. That takes away the difficulty of adjusting the time manually using the crown. The small red hand at the bottom is being used to show the movement of the seconds and is independently working from the rest of the timepieces in the same watch. Kind of a person who is working in a group but is not listening to anyone. To adjust the digital time or the date, switch through the different mode by pressing on the lower left button. After selecting the right mode that you need to adjust, long press on the lower right button to activate the adjustment option. If you see any of the time property blinking, you can then proceed to pressing the lower left button to cycle through the different values of any given time property. At this point, the top right button is of no use to us. If you see the letter H on the display, you can toggle between the 12-hour or the 24-hour mode. If you select the 12-hour, you will be seeing a small letter P on the display if it's in the afternoon or a small letter A when it's in the morning time. But if you select the 24-hour mode, this watch will be displaying the time in military format. Like any other digital watch out there, this timepiece also includes a stopwatch. The lower right button serves as the stopping and the starting mechanism for the stopwatch. To reset the stopwatch, just long press on the lower right button. The size of the face of this watch is around 54mm in diameter, and its thickness is around 20mm. The watch band width is around 22mm. Now let's try fitting it on my left arm. Whoa, that's so comfortable to wear. I like that it fits proportionally on my left arm and its two colors are standing out. That's it guys for today's video. I'm Glenn Villar of Reynaxis Solutions. Welcome to my vlog.